Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a histogram in Excel. Actually, you should have a histogram here by default. If you don't have it, just click on this OK first. Select the data and just click on this option or this as you want, and then go to quick layout and select any of them, and you can make some changes from here, like fill with more fill colors, or you can give more weight to the outlines like it, and make some outline colors with it like it. And you can change your data from here. Show your data from here. You can add chart title, edit it, data labels, whatever you want to. So this is how you can make a histogram from here. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.